Hello everyone, my name is Sumit and I welcome all of you to bxptradings.com. Today I'm going to demonstrate you how to retrieve fields using Lookup to create a new case. So let's understand this scenario first of all. The scenario here is, as you can see here, that's the Visualforce page, and in this Visualforce page we will be going to create a new case, and there are few details like priority, status, case origin. And one more section we have added, that is account section, and in this account section we have a lookup field. Now either user can specify the account name directly and then click on search, or user can click on this lookup option, lookup field, and from that lookup field a dialog box will open, a window will open, and from that window user can select the account names, available account names, and select any specific account name. And as soon as the user specify the account names here, its associated website and phone number will be displayed here automatically. And after that, when user click on save, the record will be saved successfully into a case object, or a new case will be generated according to that account name. So that's the scenario. Let's see how to complete this scenario by using a Visualforce page. So first of all, let's create a Visualforce page. So I create a new page, apex slash, and pull. I'll give a name to this, lookup pull lookup example. Create this page, expand it, and here we'll be going to write the code. So to write the code, first of all, I'll add a controller, standard controller, and it will be associated with a case. And because I would like to implement the functionality from an account object as well, so that's why I use here extension, and I'll give a name to that extension as pull lookup example, apex colon form, then apex colon page block, and I set the mode to main detail. Give a title is equal to create case. Then in this page block I write apex colon page block buttons, and I specify apex colon command button value is equal to save, and action is equal to, this action will be associated with this standard controller. Apex colon command button value is equal to cancel, and action is equal to cancel. Then apex colon page block section, and give one title to this. Title is equal to details or detail, it's up to you. And then apex colon input field value is equal to, I write case, it should be case dot priority. I want three fields, priority, origin, and status, so I specify priority, then origin, and status. Then after this page block section we need to create another section. So one more section, apex colon page block section, and within this section I specify title to this section, title as account, and I give one ID is equal to account. Now why I am using this ID, this I will be tell you when we specify the action support with this. Then I write here apex colon input field, apex colon input field value is equal to case dot account ID, and then we need to add one action support. So apex colon action support event will be, event is on change event, action is equal to account selected. Now this action is not available, so we need to specify this action, and I use here re-render. Re-render is to refresh, basically this is for refreshing. So I write here I want to refresh account, or I want to refresh this section. That's why I have specified here account comma msgs. This is a message section which we will be going to define a new section, and status is equal to state. Then we have, and here, so after this section has been closed, then I write apex colon output field value is equal to case dot account dot website, and we want website and phone number to be populated automatically. So case dot account dot phone, and apex colon action status, this is to display the status. Start text is getting details, and ID is equal to stat. This is for changing this status. So this is the Visualforce page, and now when we save it, then because this extension does not exist, so I create this extension, and in this extension we need to specify the code for searching the records. So it is asking for this method, so we create this method, and this is the default extension, this is the default method. So expand it, and we have pull lookup example. Then in this pull lookup example, in this apex class, we implement our own business logic or custom logic basically, and here I specify private apex pages dot standard controller stdctrl, and in this standard controller we specify stdctrl is equal to controller. So whatever value is coming here, it will be stored into this stdctrl. And next we need to specify the action. So as you can see here, we have an account selected, this action, so this action we need to specify. So here I specify action public void account selected, and in this account selected we'll be going to get the data. So here I specify account selected, and in this account selected, first of all I created a new instance of the case to get the records, and then I check if not string is blank cs dot account id, it will look for the website phone from the account where id is equal to cs dot account id. So this is a SQL query, and it will get the website and phone from the account where id is this one, it is equivalent to the case account id. Else it will set the account is equal to null, and here if account is equal to null, If it is not equal to null, it will display the records and it will display the messages. So let's go and test it. So the programming is done, coding is done. Now it's testing time. So in order to test it, I'm just going to add the account name here. So for example, I specify the priority is high, case origin is phone, status is new, and either we can click on this account name, we click on this option and we'll get all the account names. You can see the list of accounts, or also we can specify here BISP, and if I click on outside, we can see we are getting an error message that multiple items found. Select from drop down or click icons to refine search. Why this is coming for? Because we have got multiple accounts, multiple account names with VISP, so we need to specify any one of them, then only it will be display here the website and phone associated with the account. Or we can click on here again, I'll clear it and then look for account again. And now if I select express logistic and transport, you can see it's getting the detail and it will display, pull the website and phone, and it will display the website and phone number here of this particular account name. And now click on save and the case will be generated and it will be stored under cases successfully. You can see the case has been generated. That's the case ID and that's the case number. So like this scenario, how we can pull the data by using a lookup field, by using a lookup option on a Visualforce page. That's all in this video. If you have any queries, you can visit our website www.bisptrainings.com. You can subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos on Salesforce. You can contact us for a customized training on Salesforce. Till then, have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.